Model, 2010 Mercedes Vito 115CDi Long Dualiner Sport Factory Crew Cab MOTED ready to go. Excellent runner-up and over tailgate. Body, red, panel van. Mileage, 204,393. MOT, the 11th of January 2025. Engine, 2148cc 2.2 CDI, 111. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No warning lights on the grin. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. This is an excellent running, very well maintained, strong, reliable and powerful factory-fitted Mercedes Vito Dualiner. Features: 1 former keeper, electric windows, air con. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740